So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is day one. What we can call it? Day 186, 787. So today was Sunday, and for the first time in quite a while, I allowed myself to sleep in. Like I woke up around 10:40 a.m. Like can you even imagine? And honestly, it felt amazing. No alarm. Yeah, I woke up without alarm. So alarm, yeah. So no rushing anywhere, just a slow and peaceful start of the day. Sometimes your body just tell you it needs a rest, and today I listened. So because I woke up late, everything shifted kind of. Like I took my time getting ready, had a lunch had a nice relaxing bath, and by the time I was done it was already 12 p.m. Sundays have a complete different vibe. There is no pressure, there is no deadlines, and everything just move at perfect speed. Or we should I so it runs so fast, like you don't even catch up, and the time passes like water is flowing. Like yeah, because I woke up late, like after getting ready I headed to the shop for like couple of hours. Nothing too exciting happened there, just a boring usual day. But even that felt calmer because it was Sunday. I came back around like 2 p.m. Lunch happened pretty late today. I do it at 2 or 3 p.m. But my family does lunch around 11 or 12 p.m. So 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. So around like 3 p.m. I was free. I guess that's what happens when you work in a company, or maybe you are a corporate employee. But yeah, after eating I decided to continue watching the Office. Man, I swear man, I this show keeps getting funnier every single episode. Every time I think it gets ridiculous. Mitchell Scott, man, how somehow proves me wrong. I genuinely don't know why I didn't start watching this series earlier. Like I had it in my mind. I thought I will watch this, but I couldn't just start it. Now I am watching it. Like if you have watched the Office, let me know your favorite character. But mine favorite is Mitchell Scott. Yeah. Mr. Or it should be Michael. What I've just saw the first season one. After that came something I really been enjoying lately, learning the piano. So from around 4 to 7 p.m. I was almost completely lost in practicing. Some people would probably say I wasted 3 hours, but honestly I don't think learning something new is ever a waste of time. uh, I'm still a complete beginner, like, and trust me, my finger refuse to cooperate half the time. Sometimes it's severe, but every time I practice I notice tiny improvement that I even amazes me. A note sounds cleaner, a transition becomes smoother, or I finally play a small section without messing it up. Those little wins makes me want to keep going. Also I did uploaded a new reel on my creator account today. Trying to stay consistent with content creation while learning new things isn't always easy, but little by little we are making progress. Yeah, you can watch that reel on the Instagram. I will put a link in the description. Then in the evening my mom came and asked me, can we watch a movie together? So of course, yes, it's yes. Family time like this don't doesn't happen every single day, so I really wanted to enjoy it. The movie was around nearly around 3 hour long, but we didn't watch it all in one sitting. We watched the first half, then paused it to cook dinner together, had dinner, talking for a while, and then came back to finish the second half. Honestly, I like watching movies this way. Sometimes it feels less rushed or more like spending quality time together instead of just staring at a screen. But by the time everything was finished, I was it was around 11 p.m. Yeah, 11 p.m. And here I am now recording today's vlog. Tomorrow is Monday. Yeah. I I hate Monday. Why do why do weekend disappear like a bullet train? Su. Yeah. Seriously, I it feels like Saturday arrives. You blink twice and suddenly it's Monday morning again. I have some couple of meetings, man. Shit, my 5 weekdays somehow feel longer than entire weekend combined. I don't know how this works, but weekend definitely have a little different speed. Still, a new week means new opportunity, new videos, and hopefully a little more progress toward all goals we are chasing. Let's see what day 188 has in store. If you enjoyed spending the day with me, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you have not, or if you are new here, and leave a comment telling me how your Sunday went. I will see you all tomorrow. Until then, stay healthy, take care, and tata, bye bye.